Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Rose War Panty Power, so let's get into it. Check it out. Rose War Panty Power is a monthly subscription that is made to make that time of the month even more pleasant for you. It comes with period products and underwear and lifestyle products and snacks. It is $37.50 and that includes priority shipping. I will put my code Kathrin30 and my link down below in case that's the best sale, but if she happens to be having another sale right now, I will link that too. And that is what the front of the paperwork looks like. On the inside, it will show us all of the products that we could have in here. There are variations, and the box is always wrapped up so pretty. Look at the inside. Isn't that just beautiful? It's almost like getting a little treasure trove when we open it up. My eyes caught immediately on the goldfish because goldfish are little treasures around here, especially with my grandchildren. But then I saw paper clips, and I don't know how many people would be excited about that, but you guys know I'm a stationary, write it down, keep notes kind of gal. First of all, we get our snacks. I have goldfish and airheads and more airheads. So we have a little something sweet, a little something salty to help us through. You will have snacks and they are different each month. I'm gonna dig through and show you what we get each month first. You also can get period products, and this is entirely up to you. You get pads and tampons. It's up to you. You can get all pads, all tampons, or a mix. They are organic products, which is what makes them so awesome. We also get a couple of Stallmates, which are little cleansing pads that you can take on the go. Like I always say, of course you can use them at your house, but these are really convenient to have in your purse for if you're on the go. So we get a couple of these, and then you get 15 of these products, and they have a $9 value. If you don't need period products though in your life for whatever reason, you can opt out of receiving the period products and you will get an extra lifestyle product. Also each month we get our undies. You get 2 pairs. She has sizes small to 3X. Usually you will get a thong and a not thong, like a brief or a hipster or something like that. But if you want all thongs, you can let her know. If you want no thongs, you can let her know. I generally have a mix. This is my first one. It's a Tommy Hilfiger boy short. It is navy, super cute. That is what it looks like. And I love that it's Tommy Hilfiger, but it's just a cute little boy short. My other one felt interesting. Let's get back to that one. This feels almost like a cross between a polyester and a seersucker. It feels so good. It's by Umita. Oh, it's so pretty. This is not a thong. I did not get a thong. This is a brief, and I will show that. Hopefully it will show the pattern. The back is a nice scalloped edge. The front is just a smooth edge. Those are so pretty. All right. You will get 2 pair of panties each month with a value between $8 and $30. Then we get into the lifestyle products. You will usually have 3 to 4 lifestyle products. Sometimes she throws in a bonus. Right on top, I have a Zion Health Adama Glacial Mud Mask. This is very heavy relative to the size of the tube. Okay, I've made it this far, but we need glasses now. It is 4 ounces. It's an exfoliating mask for all skin types to purify, energize, and renew. And that is what it looks like. And the paperwork says that it has a $16 value. Glacial Marine Clay is packed with micronutrients with a neutral pH balance of 6.9, ideal for improving skin quality and enhancing skin tone. Well, there's nothing in it I can't use, so let's open this up and see what it looks like. It's so hard to squeeze out. It's so nice and thick. It says you just put a thin layer on your skin, but that is super thick. Oh, wow. So thick. It has almost no scent. Almost no scent at all. That is what it looks like. This would dry down in no time. Does it say how long to leave it on? Yeah, it says leave on 1 to 15 minutes and rinse with cool water. I have to tell you, I think this is going to be dry in just a couple minutes tops. We're not going to wait out the time, or I'm going to end up with this all over me and everything else. I have to tell you, just with that little bit of time, it feels like the pores on this hand are tighter than the pores on this hand. Does it say that it's pore tightening? No, it says purify, energize, and renew. So I don't know. That would be nice though. In the summer, I can absolutely use these types of products. Next out, I have a headband. And it's branded Rose War Panty Power, and it's just a patriotic headband for July. How perfect is that? This will be fun to have around for all of the patriotic holidays. The headband on the inside has little grippies. It's gonna stay in your hair really well. This is the first of a couple videos, so I'm not gonna take a chance with my hair, but that is super cute with the knot on top. Those are so in. And next up, I have those cute little paper clips I was talking about. Look, it looks like a little carrot. So cute. Full of paper clips. I love them. When I do all of the FabFitFun spoilers like we've been doing, I print out each customization, and it's usually 3 or 4 pages, and I would love a way to keep them together, and I don't have any paper clips right now, so this will be perfect. Last out, I have a natural mint and eucalyptus facial oil from Professor Herb, and that is what that looks like. It says natural mint leaf and eucalyptus oil both offer wonderful skin soothing benefits. Both work to freshen your skin perfectly, combating unwanted scarring and dark spots from conditions such as acne. So I don't think that this is perfect for my skin, but let me show you the bottle because I always love the Professor Herb products. So I always want to call him Doctor. I was right this time, right? Yes, Professor Herb. I always wanted to be Dr. Herb, so I will leave this sealed so I can pass it along. That was our July box, and we have, like we always get, we have our period products, and I received the pads and the tampons and a couple of the Stallmates. We got the snacks that we always get, goldfish, and a couple of airheads. Not that we always get goldfish and airheads, we always get snacks. I received the 2 pair of panties, which you will always get. If I didn't say, she carries sizes small to 3X. We got this nice Adama Glacial Mud Mask, the Professor Herb Natural Mint and Eucalyptus Facial Oil, the cute little headband, and this carrot of paper clips. So cute. So if this is something that you have any interest in, I will put the link and my code Kathrin30 below. It will get you 30% off the first box, but like I said, sometimes she has sales, so if she's having a better sale right now, I'll put that link down there. And also, so you know, this box was sent to me free for review. I think I said that in the beginning. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a fantastic summer. I've had to go into sleeveless. It is hot. Mercy, it's hot. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys. Bye.